in terms of the elements that make up spiritual design, for example, astrology, personality traits, feng shui, what's included?
So I lean heavily in my own practice of transformative interior design on personality traits for sure, feng shui, biophilic design, working with shamanic astrology and really understanding ancient culture and all the wisdom that comes from that. Feng Shui is really a language of symbology, of symbols, and also a language of energy and how it moves. And with the shamanic, there's the sacred geometry. In fact, I used diamonds and circles over and over again, repeatedly in different ways in this room, very specifically and strategically to work with cutting through, being whole, being connected, kind of like popping the energy.